What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimmy and I'm going to show you guys how I do my heatless blowout. I put a little snippet, some pics right here to show you guys because everyone's been barking at me to do a tutorial. I did make one for Instagram. I wanted to do a more in-depth video for YouTube so that you guys can see me do it in real time. And yeah, let's get into it. Things you're going to need. So you're going to need 2 rods. I got a pack of 4 from Amazon. I have it linked to my Amazon storefront. You also need a silk bonnet to sleep in and to keep it in place and protect your hair. Also in my Amazon storefront, I think everything that I have here is in my Amazon storefront. And you're gonna need a spray bottle for some water. You're gonna need some hairspray. I used the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray, the number 13 one. This one is so good. It doesn't make your hair like stiff, but it still holds. For my hair it does. And then we're gonna need a hair clip, a hair tie, and a brush. First things first, we're going to brush out the hair. I had a lot of hair. And when I brush my hair, I like to start from the ends and then work my way up versus starting from the top and just like getting caught in knots. Please do not do that. Be gentle with your hair. I always like to start with the ends first, then fully brush through, and it's seamless. You see that? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna section off the hair. So you're gonna section from your ear to the top of your head, okay? You're going from your ears to the top of your head, like the crown. You see that? It's like a diagonal split. And then we're gonna clip this part out of the way first so that we can tie the bottom section away. So take this section and tie it with your scrunchie so we can focus on the top portion. We're gonna brush the hair completely forward. We're gonna wet the hair all around, all the way down. Some of the hairspray and coat the hair. Also notice that this heatless hairstyle works better as the hair gets older. You know what I'm saying? Like as far as like cleanliness, because there's pretty much product built up from this. But yeah, it just comes out better when the hair is a little bit older, in my opinion. If my hair is too fresh, it's not as curly. All right, so we gathered the hair. You can do this either 2 ways. You can just freehand it if you want to, or if you're a beginner, you can clip this like this to hold the hair in place so it's easier to roll as you go. So you clip it. I usually roll it without the clip now, but for the sake of this video, for the beginners, we'll clip it close as possible to our forehead so that the hair holds in place. And then we're going to take our rod and you're going to wrap the hair around the rod like this. And then you're going to roll it inward, tucking this hair in as you roll. And make sure you keep tucking and all the hair is getting caught. And it's easier to keep the hair controlled like this because of the clip. And then once you get to the clip, just take it off. Rolling, just keep rolling until you get to your forehead. Secure it nice and tight. And then the rods that I have linked to my storefront have these clips, so it's easy to just clip it like that. Super easy. I'm pretty sure there's like a lot of rods on there where it comes with the clips, but make sure you get the rods that have the clips to keep it in this shape. We're gonna work with this section now. It's pretty much the same thing. We're gonna wet the hair and put some hairspray. Brush it through. Gather the hair. We're gonna pull it upwards and just kind of brush the back of your head and brush the hair forward. And smooth out the back. The rod is on the inside and you're going to wrap the hair around it, the ends of the hair, and then roll inwards, tucking with your thumb I don't know if you guys can see that. You can tuck with your thumb and roll. Tuck with your thumb and roll. And then just keep rolling until you get to the end. And then clip. Just like that. Donezo. It can get a little uncomfortable if it falls back like that, like it kind of hurts at the roots. So sometimes, since it's all the way at the top of my head, the clip doesn't really bug me, but I'll put a clip, lightly put the clip at the back. Can you see this? Lightly put the clip at the back to hold the roll up. And usually this doesn't really hurt and it feels very secured. This doesn't fall down, and since it's at the top of my head, I can easily still sleep on my back without it bugging me. Then we're gonna do this, spray the rods one more time. Then we're gonna take our little bonnet, and I like this specific bonnet because it has these ties. So make sure you guys get a bonnet that has these ties to keep it in place. So we're gonna put the bonnet on. Get the ties, we're gonna cross them like this, okay? Bring them to the front and wrap them in between both rods. So in the middle, you're just gonna, you see how this is the first rod? Oh, this is the first rod, this is the second rod. You're putting the strap in the middle and then tying it like a little bow. And this is how I sleep. Honestly, this is more comfortable to sleep in compared to my heatless curls where I have the rods on the sides, because this one's literally on top of your head. You can sleep on your back, you can sleep on your side. It's literally not in the way. That's why I really like doing the heatless blowout. And yeah, so we're gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. Let's go ahead and take this off. And it's still looking good. I ended up taking off the clip because when I was laying down I didn't really need it anymore. So you're going to unhook the back. So you get like this big curl. And then the front. Oh shit. Don't be alarmed. It usually comes out like curlier than this, but I put them in a little too late last night. But once you like fix it, like separate the curls, it looks so much better. And you get all this freaking volume. It's like massive. Then you can add some serum. This is the Camera Platinum Silkening Gloss, just to smooth it out and doesn't give it, like, it gives it a nice shine. And that's the blowout. It looks so good. Usually it comes out curlier. Again, I did put it in pretty late last night, so it didn't have it like that much time to sit in the curlers. But yeah. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful and you guys try out the heatless blowout. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any other heatless styles that you want me to try, just leave them down below and I'll search it up and try it myself. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.